It's over. What are you doing, Ivan? Ivan, what are you doing? Like a bear. You guys want to go in the car? You want to go in the car? Are you excited to go in the car? Do you want to go in the car? Come on, Ivan. Good boy. Ivan. Okay, hold on. Just wait. Wait a minute. Okay. Good girl. Come here, Ivan.